Well, you can see the baton now has just arrived outside Glasgow City Chambers. It is being held by the Lord Provost and Louise Martin. Now, Louise Martin took part in the Commonwealth Games in Australia, 100 metres backstroke. Now, behind her you can see Clyde, the official mascot of the Commonwealth Games. He is having a little dance around. Now, the children holding the flags around the baton are all from local primary schools. They're from Hillhead and Shawland. Smile and give us a wave. There we go. Now, the baton will go from here to Glasgow Airport, where it will be flown to Delhi, obviously the previous host city of the Commonwealth Games. Now, with me is the Chief Executive of Commonwealth Games 2014, David Grevenberg. Hello.
Good morning.
You've had quite a busy few days.
Yes, quite exciting. We finally have the show on the road, so to speak.
This must be the official kind of starting point for you when you see the baton being taken around parts of the country and back in its host city.
Well, it's having the intention that it always had. People are just very excited about it, getting around the whole celebration and really just building on the momentum for a great games next summer.
Now, obviously the Olympic torch was such a huge event here in Scotland as well. I mean, the crowds on the streets were incredible. How are you going to manage to keep that kind of momentum for the baton over 400 communities in Scotland?
Oh, it's going to be absolutely fantastic. We're engaging over 4,000 baton bearers. The nomination process starts on our website. You can get the nomination forms. But what we're looking for, if you're 12 or older, we're looking for inspiring people across Scotland to be nominated to be a lucky baton bearer, and really to engage as many people to get excited about the Commonwealth Games, great sport, great culture, and really celebrating youth.